Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. On today's video we're going to do a drink called an Old Pal, right? It's kind of like a Negroni-ish type of drink or like a Belvedere drink. Similar, very similar, right? It's an equal parts cocktail that consists of rye, dry vermouth, and Campari, right? So let's get started, right? First, we're going to go 1 ounce of a rye. Next, we're going to go 1 ounce of dry vermouth. And last, we're going to go just 1 ounce of Campari. Add a little ice. Got us a Coupe. Got us a strainer. And there we have it. An old pal that maybe is a new pal. Let's see, pal. Cheers. It's a lot of flavors. I like it. Can't say that it's nothing wrong. I'm not going to say that I'm going to remember to keep going back to these, but again, it's a solid cocktail. Like you want to be fancy, but it's a good cocktail. It really is. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share, and go back and watch other videos. And then put them on while you go to sleep and watch more videos. Just put a playlist on or something. Just let it play in the background while you're doing your work and stuff. Whatever, right? Help a brother out. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.